AgFiniti gives you the tools to generate PDFs of maps and reports, which gives you the ability to print and share snapshots of your data while helping you make more informed management decisions anywhere at any time. In this tutorial, you will learn how to print maps, queries, and summary reports in AgFiniti. To get started, first select the field, year, and operation of the data you would like to print from the Management dropdown. Next, you will go to the layer cards on the right and select the stat you would like to print. Once the map contains the information you would like to print, click the print icon in the mapping toolbar. Here, you will see a preview of how the information will be printed. There are 3 items that you have the option of printing that you can see on the right: the map, summary report, and marks and notes, if there are any for this field. If you would like to modify the map, you will need to go back to the mapping screen to make those changes. If you only wanted the map on the print layout and no summary report, tap Summary Report under the printing options to hide the summary report, and then update the preview to remove the summary report from the layout. Now, there's only a map on the print preview. When you are happy with your selections, you can select Print in the bottom right and a PDF will be downloaded to your computer. Now, let's look at how you can print an active query. This is useful to share initial comparisons of the field or save said comparison for future reference. To begin, ensure the layers that contain the data you would like to query are on the map. In this instance, we are going to query our yield and soil type data. So we will ensure we have the grain harvest layer as the yield data active, and the soil survey layer, we will add that with the soil type stat selected. Next, select the Tools dropdown in the Mapping Tools on the top, and then select the query tool that suits your needs. In this example, we will use Query by Area. Next, click to select the area you would like to query. Double-click to complete the selection. Then, select the print icon to see the print preview. You will see that below the map there are now another report with the query results that you had selected. In this report, you will see the values for the selected area on the left compared to the average or total of the entire field. You also still have the option to have the summary report print in addition to the map, as well as marks and notes if the field has any. You have now learned how to print maps, summary reports, and queries using the printing tools in AgFiniti. If you would like to see more short tutorials from AgLeader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.